Hi everyone, and welcome to our next video in our series on how to control and manage your Shopify website. Today we're going to be going over the homepage section of the Shopify backend, what it is, what its intended use is, what you can get out of it, and just a brief overview about what's included. So we're starting off today in the Shopify backend, and if you don't know how to get to the administrative backend, we created a video on that earlier in the series, and we'll include a link to that down below. So when you log into your Shopify website, this is the first page that you're going to see. So the home page is meant to give you an overview of your site's performance, ways to improve, things you've done, things you haven't done. They provide some resources for things that are useful, and it's just meant for the overall improvement and updating of your store. So there are a lot of sections on the homepage, and the sections differ depending on your store, its status, where you're at, but we'll show you some examples based off of our demo store. So when we log in, we get a welcome message, welcome to Shopify, and right now you'll see that we have one order to fulfill. You can also see that by looking on the left and seeing that there's a number 1 there. So this just means that an order came in, and if we wanted to fulfill that or ship it out, we could just click on this and it'll take us to the order. Down here are some steps that we've taken as a new store, and Shopify has checked these off, showing that these suggestions we followed. We added our first product to the store, we customized our theme on the store, and now their next suggestion is to add a custom domain, which we do not have right now because this is just a development store. Down here, Shopify is commending us on our first order. They're congratulating us, so this might be a section where different achievements and highlights for your store would be. Down here, they have some photo suggestions that we can use for our store, and some suggestions on how to be recognizable by search engines. There are some suggested readings, links to resources, and there's a lot of overall very useful information here for your store. Typically, I don't believe that, a typical user would be reviewing everything on the homepage section every day, but there can be a lot of useful information here, so I would suggest reviewing it from time to time, seeing what Shopify suggests, and seeing what new updates come out on the platform to see what can benefit your store. And that, in a nutshell, is the homepage section of your Shopify website.